Welcome back to today's video with Tech with Mark, and we are going to be looking at the sum function today. So we've just created these kind of couple of numbers here, and what we're going to be looking at is the equals sum open brackets function. So with this we can then click onto the cell 1 and drag that down to the cell 6 and then close the bracket and press enter. We can see that the sum function has now added up from A1 down to A6, giving us the total of 21. If you're to look into the formulas bar, you can also see that up there. If you click up to the top, we can click into the insert function part, and we can click onto the sum as well. By clicking OK, we can click and select the numbers, like so. Press enter and press OK. And again, that will add up and give us the total of the B1 to the B6. Okay, which we can see is 27 then. If we want to speed this up a little bit, we can do the equals and open brackets and pressing up to select the first one, and then the control shift and up, we select the whole column up to the top, and then just press enter. It automatically closes the bracket for us, and there it gives us the total for that. If we were to delete these, what we can also do is select all of them with an extra row, and using the Alt keys we can press Alt, M, U and S for sum, and then that will give us the sum at the bottom there.